Good morning everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to give you guys a little morning routine, give you guys a dip into what I do in my mornings while my boys are still sleeping. So it's kind of like my self-care morning. These don't happen very often because most of the time I like to stay asleep until my boys wake up. And yeah, today that's different. I woke up at 6 o'clock today. Yeah, I'm going to get a little bit of self-care in this morning and just thought I'd take you guys along with me. Okay, so before I can go take a shower I need to grab some clothes. I don't have a very big selection here, so... Okay, so I just got out of the shower and I'm going to start on the skincare portion of this video. I want to thank Curology for sponsoring this portion of the video. I've been using Curology for about 2 months now, and if you don't know what Curology is, it is a personalized skincare brand that creates your own custom prescription formula that is perfect for your skin. All you have to do is go to the Curology website and fill out a quick little questionnaire. And then you upload some pictures of your skin, and then they pair you with your own dermatology provider who analyzes your skin and comes up with this perfect little custom prescription formula, and they ship it right off to you, which I think is dope because I personally don't want to have to go to any doctors. I don't have to call anybody, and I think it's cool that I can just do all of this online. When I started using Curology, my main issues were I was getting really bad congestion in my nose. I was also having issues with just my skin not feeling very plump. It was very dull, and I was also having issues with pigmentation. I know you probably can't see it right now, but before I did have a lot of pigmentation here from popping old pimples, and I know it's not good, but I did it. And yeah, since I've been using it, I've seen a really big improvement with just the way my skin feels. It feels so plump. I have a lot less texture. And the thing with me is I've never really had really bad acne, so that's never really been a huge issue for me. I think it's really cool that they're targeting more than just acne, and they're working towards targeting your fine lines and the elasticity of your skin and the evenness of your skin. They're helping with wrinkles and just brightening your skin overall, which I think is super dope. I have realized since I've started using it, the breakouts that I would get, they have completely diminished, and I haven't had a breakout in a while, which is... okay, say less. What is also very cool is that as you are along the Curology journey, if you have different issues that arise, you can always switch up your formula so that it can be tailored to what you need to be tailored to. So if you guys are interested, you guys can use the link down below. It's usually $20 a month, but if you use my link, you can get your first month's free. All you have to do is pay shipping and handling, which is $4.95. And if you love it, you can continue on with your Curology journey. If you don't though, they do offer a 90-day guarantee, so if it doesn't work for you, you can get a full refund. I'm going to show you how I use them. My bottles are almost empty, like almost empty. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use the cleanser. I'm going to go ahead and wet my face real quick. And I'm going to use my Clean Sweep cleanser. You don't need a lot. This goes, a little bit does go a long way. And I normally rub it into my skin for about a minute. Okay, so I'm going to rinse it off. Okay, now that I have washed my skin, you can see it already looks like so much more, it's like juicy and plump. It feels really good. I feel like that I like that cleanser because it's really moisturizing for my skin. Now I'm gonna take a pump of my personalized product, and like I said, I'm running really low, so I'm gonna try and get about 1 squeeze out of it, and that's what that is. Not much at all. A little does go a long way. A little does go a long way with this as well, so I'm just going to up and out circular motions, and I'm just gonna press it in. Okay, and then I'm gonna go in with the moisturizer. I use the Rich moisturizer because I need a little bit of that extra moisture in my skin, so I'm going to put a quarter size amount of that. And I normally would do all of these in the morning and at night when I shower, except for my personalized bottle. I normally only do this at night. I only need to do it about every other night or every night. And then I'm gonna take my moisturizer and just, you know, throw it on. I like that this moisturizer is very moisturizing. It's so moisturizing, and I just love how moisturizing this moisturizer is. Okay, as you can see, my skin is looking so like just plump and juicy. You can also see that I don't have very many dark spots anymore, and my nose, the congestion in it has pretty much disappeared. Like, it's been doing so well. My favorite thing of all of everything and my whole journey with this is that my skin just looks so like radiant, and I just love that. So you could stop there, but I like to go on SPF because it's super beneficial for your skin. I use the First Aid Beauty one, and it is SPF 40. I don't add a whole lot because you don't need a whole lot, and I don't want to be sweating all day. So see, look, I already did too much. So I'm just going to press this into my skin. That's pretty much it. Like I said, if you want to sign up for Curology, I have a link down below, and you can get your first month free. All you gotta pay is shipping and handling for $4.95, which is a steal. I highly recommend. I've heard about Curology and I've always wanted to try it. I'm happy that I finally got the chance. So yeah, if you guys want to try it, go ahead and do that by using the link down below. Okay, so little man woke up and I got to finish the rest of my morning with him. Hendrix actually woke up already too, but he went back to sleep because they woke up way too early. They woke up at like 7. Like, they didn't give me much time at all this morning. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make my coffee real quick. I'm gonna take a little cup like this. I'm going to add a tablespoon of water. Add a tablespoon of water. I'm gonna throw it in the microwave for about 10 seconds. Going to dry off my tablespoon because I gotta dip it in some sugar now and I don't want it to get all gross. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add a tablespoon of sugar. So it's all equal parts. I'm sure you guys have seen this coffee before, but this is how I make it. So I'm going to add a tablespoon of sugar. And then once I do that, I'm going to add a tablespoon of instant coffee. I use the Nescafe Classico Dark Roast. I prefer the dark roast because I feel like it's a little bit stronger than like the regular roast. I just prefer this roast better. Whew. Okay. So now I'm going to take my little, what is this called? Hand mixer? My hand mixer with my little whisk, and I'm just going to whisk it until it gets like fluffy. Pretty much like that. Where it's like whipped, kind of like a whipped cream. Okay, once I do that, I'm going to take my cup. I'm going to add some ice to it. Once I got my ice, I'm going to add some milk to my cup, about 75% full, I guess. Right there. It's quite a bit. But the coffee is like really strong, so it like evens out. And then I'm going to add a little bit of French vanilla creamer. So I probably put too much. Also going to add in 2 Splendas because it's not sweet enough for me, just normal. Now I got that, I'm going to put the whipped part in. I like to rub this into the ice just to get it off of the whisk. And then I'm going to take this and just scoop the rest of it out. Just throw it right on top. And then from here, just kind of make a little swirl. And you can see this is what it looks like. And then you just add your straw of choice and blend it. I'm gonna add a little bit more milk because I made it, it's like a little strong. I don't have much room to add milk, but. And that is perfect. That's my quick little coffee routine. This morning has been very different. I normally am dealing with the boys, and this morning my husband took care of that, so I don't have to feed them. They've already been fed. I'm probably just gonna sit down and start editing this video, and I actually probably should go comb my hair, so I'm gonna go do that. Instead of braiding them all the way down, I just stop them right here. Tie some hair ties. And then I bun it. And oh, that's that for that quick hairstyle. So yeah, that's pretty much my morning routine. I didn't do a whole lot this morning. because somebody woke up and I couldn't get to do everything that I wanted to do. Yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys want to see more videos like this, including the kids or my husband, let me know. I can definitely do that. I have a lot of fun things coming up for this channel, so stay tuned for all that. If you're not subscribed, be sure to subscribe, hit the like button if you like this video. And yeah, we will catch you guys, or I will catch you guys in my next video. Until then, stay blessed and stay beautiful.